Hi to all. Today we are going to see about additive identity first. So what do I mean by additive identity? See, minus 8 plus 0 will be equal to, see, whenever I add 0 to any number, the result will be the same number. So the answer is minus 8. Similarly, suppose I do minus 23 plus 0. Again, whenever we add 0 to any number, the number will not change. So it is minus 23. Now, what will be the answer for this? 0 plus dash is equal to minus 43. So here it has to be minus 43. Then only we will get minus 43 as the answer. And then what about this one? Minus 61 plus dash is equal to minus 61. So it has to be 0. So whenever 0 is added to any number, the result will be the same number. And 0 is called as the additive identity for integers. So 0 is the additive identity for integers. In general, we can tell that a plus 0 will be equal to a. Similarly, 0 plus a will be equal to a. Now let us do example 1 from NCERT textbook. So let's see example 1. So they have told, write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 3. So the sum has to be minus 3. The result will vary for each one, the answer, because any two integers we can write which satisfies this condition. So I have taken the answer as minus 1 and minus 2. We can just check it. So minus 1, it is given sum, so plus minus 2. So just put it in brackets. Don't do integers without using brackets whenever you add and subtract. So are the signs same or opposite? Signs are same, so we have to add it. So 1 plus 2 will give you 3. And both the numbers are having minus sign. So naturally in the answer there will be a minus sign. So this satisfies a condition. Minus 1 and minus 2 are the integers whose sum is minus 3. Now let us see the B part. Difference is minus 5. So the difference they have told, it is minus 5. So I took minus 9 and minus 4. Let us check it. So minus 9 difference. So you have to use a minus sign and then again minus 4. Put it in brackets like this. Now minus into minus is plus. So minus 9, just write it as 4. I told you always have a plus sign in the middle. So now the brackets we put like this. This 4 has no sign, so it means it has a positive sign. Now again ask the question, are the signs same or opposite? Signs are opposite. So when the signs are opposite, we have to subtract. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. And the bigger number 9, it has a minus sign. So in the answer you have to put a minus sign. So this satisfies the condition that the difference has to be minus 5 among the integers you select. Now what about the C part? It is given difference is 2. So I have taken the integers as 1 and minus 1. Let us check it. So 1 difference, so minus in the middle, then minus 1. Use brackets like this. Now I told you there should be a plus sign in the center. So minus into minus is plus. Now we have like this. Now both the ones are having plus sign. The integers are same or opposite. The integers are having the same sign. So we have to add it. 1 plus 1 is 2. And because the two numbers are having a plus sign, this 2 will also have a plus sign, which means you can just write it as 2. So this is the answer. Now let us look at the D part. So the D part, it is given as sum is 0. So I took 5 and minus 5. So let us see how it works out. Whichever pair of integers you select, please check it and see. Otherwise you will lose the marks unnecessarily. So 5 plus minus 5. Put it in brackets like this. This 5 has a plus sign. Now are the signs same or opposite? It is opposite. So we have to subtract it. So 5 minus 5, it is 0. So when I add the two integers 5 and minus 5, the sum is 0. So that finishes example 1. Now we are going to do exercise 1.1, question number 1. So again, write down a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. This is the first part. Sum is minus 7. So I took the integers as minus 5 and minus 2. Now just check it. Minus 5 sum, so plus minus 2. Put it in brackets. Signs are same or opposite? It is same. So we have to add it. So 5 plus 2, it is 7. Both the numbers are having minus sign. So in 7 you have to put a minus sign. That's all. Now look at the B part. Difference is minus 10. So they have told write down a pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. So let us take minus 13 and minus 3. So what will happen? Minus 13, difference means minus, then again minus 3. Put it in brackets. I told you there should always be a plus sign in the middle. So minus 13 plus minus into minus becomes plus. So just write like this. This 3 has a positive sign in the front. So are the signs same or opposite? It is opposite. So we have to subtract it. So signs are opposite, we are going to subtract. 13 minus 3 is 10. And 13 is a bigger number with a minus sign. So this 10 will get a minus sign. So we have written a pair of integers whose difference is minus 10. Now look at the C part. It is given sum is 0. So write down a pair of integers whose sum is 0. So for that you can take minus 8 and 8. So just see this minus 8 sum. So put a plus in the middle. 8. Use brackets. So are the signs same or opposite? It is opposite, so we have to subtract it. 8 minus 8 is 0. And 0 has no sign. It is neither positive nor negative. So that's all for today. Practice maths every day. While practicing only you will get the confidence in doing the problems. There is nothing much to study here. It all depends on your practice. And we of course have to remember the formulae. So have a nice day. Bye.